Most people think AI is the magic. It's not. The prompt is. That's the very most important thing. The difference between a bad prompt and a great prompt can be the difference between getting something useless and getting something that saves you hours of work in the future. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I write prompts for ChatGPT, Lovable, image generation, product design, and SaaS development. Let's get into it. Welcome back to my AI business journey. Over the past few videos, I've shown you the tools I use and how to find ideas. But today, we're talking about something even more important, prompt engineering. And don't worry, this isn't some complicated technical tutorial. I'm simply going to show you the exact framework I use every day to get better outputs from AI. Most people open ChatGPT and type, "Build me a SaaS," or "create a logo," or "make me a landing page." And then they're disappointed when the results aren't very good. The problem isn't the AI. The problem is the instructions. AI isn't a mind reader. The more context you give it, the better the result. So my prompt framework is whenever I write a prompt, I try to include 5 things: the role, goal, context, constraints, and output format. Example 1, business ideas. Now, a bad prompt would be, "Give me a SaaS idea." You'll get generic answers. Now, let's improve it. A good prompt is, "You are an experienced SaaS founder. Generate 10 SaaS ideas for freelancers and small businesses. Focus on problems that are painful, recurring, and can be solved with automation. Include target audience, pricing potential, and difficulty level." Now, the answers become much more useful, right? The AI understands who it is, what it's doing, who it's serving, and what format I want. Example 2, ChatGPT for product planning. Let's say I want to build a CRM. Now, a bad prompt would be, "Build a CRM." A good prompt would be, "You are a senior product manager. Create an MVP roadmap for a CRM designed specifically for automotive garages in Philadelphia. The product should include appointments, customer management, technician scheduling, invoices, and WhatsApp notifications. Prioritize features for a phase 1 launch. Return the answer as a feature table." You have to break it down from phase 1, 2, and 3. This will be discussed later on in the next episodes on why we don't add in all the features at once. The output becomes more actionable. Example 3, Figma and design work. When I design ideas, I don't ask, "Create a dashboard." Instead, I write, "You are a senior UX designer. Create a dashboard layout for a modern SaaS invoicing platform. The design should feel premium, clean, and simple. Use best practices from Stripe, Linear, and Notion. Describe each section and its purpose." This gives me a much better starting point. Example 4, for Lovable. This is where prompting becomes extremely powerful. Instead of saying, "Build an invoicing app," I would write, "Create a modern SaaS invoicing platform for freelancers. Include dashboard, invoices, clients, analytics, settings, onboarding flow, and Stripe integration. Use a clean modern UI inspired by Stripe and Linear. Mobile responsive, premium design quality." The more detail I provide, the less work I'll do later. Trust me. Example 5, image generation. This is where people struggle the most, and a bad prompt would be, "Create a lion." A good prompt would be, "Ultra realistic lion standing on a rock at sunrise. Cinematic lighting, 85mm lens, National Geographic, photography style, sharp detail, depth of field, professional color grading." The difference is huge because now the AI knows exactly what I'm trying to create. And my secret weapon, here's something most people don't do. I ask AI to improve my prompts. For example, "Improve this prompt and make it more detailed and effective." Sometimes I do this 2 or 3 times before using the final version. It's one of the easiest productivity hacks available today. And my biggest lesson for prompt engineering isn't about tricks, it's about communication. The better you communicate your goal, the better AI performs. The people getting incredible results from AI aren't necessarily smarter. They're simply better at explaining what they want. What am I doing this week? This week, I'll be using these prompting techniques while building actual products. You'll see the prompts, you'll see the outputs, the wins, and the failures. Everything is being documented publicly. If you found this useful, subscribe and follow the journey. And let me know in the comments, what's the best prompt you've ever used? Tomorrow, I'll show you how I'm testing AI business ideas before spending time building them. I'll see you in the next video.